Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out a fantastic PTZ solar-powered spotlight camera. Yeah, this has it all. A really great brand and a great design here. Very excited about it. Now first, this has some of the brightest spotlights in the business, and they've done it energy efficient where it's all powered off battery and a solar panel that you can run just about anywhere. We'll show that here in a moment. We've temporarily mounted this fantastic device, and I'm just very excited about it. So what's so cool about it? First off, it's got full pan, tilt, zoom. You have no blind spots. Most of them will have a blind spot for the mounting brackets and things. This will go all the way behind it if that's how you want to mount it. That's really cool. Up, down, left, right, and you'll get a notification on your phone anywhere in the world if you're on Wi-Fi if people come within the area that it's viewing. So that's really cool. In fact, I'm getting a notification right now. It says alert message that somebody is in front of the camera, and that is me. So on top of that, it is a wireless system. All you have to do is screw it up, turn it on, and then set up that solar panel pretty much anywhere. That's really fantastic. Now, this is the F1 Pro Floodlight with 355 degree pan and 90 degree tilt, and you can just zoom in on any image when it's recording. So just fantastic stuff there, time and time again. High quality images, and we're talking that really high HD, a super HD. 100% wire-free setup, PTZ control, built-in speaker and microphone. There's a speaker right here so you can talk to people. I can tell you that this comes important. We saw somebody out on the, they were net fishing on a private lake that the deed restriction is no fishing. So I was able to notify them, hey, get out of my yard and stop fishing. And that was nice, and I didn't have to be there. I could just do it all from the camera. And this notified me. I was in Tallahassee, my house is in Tampa. They were able to let me know when I was in a hotel that someone was in my backyard fishing. It's weather resistant, it's got the TF storage. That's a huge thing, that you don't have to go to the cloud for storage. It will support all sorts of stuff here, but being able to support that it stores stuff on a little card just makes it a better design. The 5-watt solar panel, it's got a big solar panel that's over 25% bigger than a lot of the competition. It's got a siren and spotlight, and the spotlight is super bright, as well as the IR sensors. Motion detection and color night vision are some of the key components to this fantastic device. On top of that, you can have multiple access to where you and your friends can all control. You can see it, like you can let the spouse or the kids also have access to this, and that's nice. Not all of these are going to do that. Very easy to set up. All you have to do is turn it on, press the reset button, have the app installed, and just connect it to your Wi-Fi. It's that easy. This is probably the easiest one to connect that I've seen, and it comes with all the mounting apparatus you need for both the solar panel and for the device itself. The nice long cabling for the solar panel allows you to put the solar panel off in the sun, and then the device can sit in the shade like this one does up against the house. So panel in the sun, device in the shade. So anyway, folks, this is a fantastic device. I don't have to tell you again, go pick it up. If your question is, should you be getting one? Yeah, it's awesome. The HD screen is great. The company is incredible, and their software, they've worked out all the kinks to where it is fantastic as well. Easy to mount, and it is a USB-C connection with a lithium rechargeable battery, which is built to last. All right, folks, and we'll show you, I mounted this in a different location for at night to show you the brightness. It is really bright, and that's nice as well. All right. I appreciate you. Go check it out and stick around for our up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for up-close portion of the video. Anran solar-powered wireless. This is a great camera, Floodlight with F1 Pro. It's got that pan and tilt, and it's forever power with a solar panel. So you gotta love that. 100% wire-free, easy setup. You can do it in about 3 minutes. 360 PTZ pan, tilt, and zoom. No blind areas, that's nice. The built-in speaker and microphone, the weather resistance, and the storage on a TF card, 8 to 128 gigabytes. I love the fact that you don't have to rely on the cloud and some service. Power goes out, you still got your card right there. Got a 5-watt solar panel, that's incredible. That's gonna keep that powered forever. A siren and a spotlight. If somebody's there, turn on the spotlight, turn on the siren, they're gonna be running away. Motion detection, you're gonna get notified if somebody goes in your yard or in your kitchen or wherever you have this, probably outside. Night vision and multiple access control. That means you can have your family and friends watch and monitor the camera for you. I love that you can just kind of pretty much share it with your spouse or girlfriend or boyfriend, and suddenly they have access to the camera and they can watch security for you. Oh, that's nice. Comes a little sticker. Solar-powered wireless security camera, F1 Pro. Quick start guide, Spanish and English. You can see it has the indicator light, the infrared light, the photo-sensitive sensor, the PIR motion sensing, the lens, and the microphone. On the bottom, you can see that it has your space for your card. And everything in the box is included, including the floodlight, the solar panel, the screws, the Type-C, the warning sticker, the sticker, user manual, solar panel, universal joint, socket, screw cap base, and all the mounting apparatus. The app's available in your app store on Google and Android devices, and it's easy to connect the camera just by scanning the QR code. Yeah. I love the fact that you can put the camera one spot and then move the solar panel to another to where you can put it in the sun, and that is nice. Very easy, straightforward instruction guide that's written in clear English by English speakers. Now, it's a bigger panel than a lot of the competition, giving you 25% more solar area, which means your camera is just going to last that much better. Dope. That's a fun way of packing right there. Look at this, a powerful camera. And unlike the competition, which usually has a panel behind here, this can freely see everything. Unlike the competition, huge LED lights and two big antennas mean that you're going to get better reception. So not only does it have that HD camera, but the reception's not going to lag if it's a little bit further away from your Wi-Fi network. All right, like I said, everything you need for mounting, of course, and USB-C. The competition, I took a look at theirs. They were using USB-A, they were using USB, micro USB. This is USB-C, which is preferred, faster, and better, and just connects better. So folks, if you want to put your card, you have your card here, as well as probably your reset and power buttons down there. I'll have to check the instructions for that. And the big speaker, so you can have two-way interaction with folks. Now, connecting your solar panels never been easier either. And I like the fact that they've got a very smart design that's going to keep it water protected from water and things. And that's nice as well. So folks, if you're looking for a high-speed, low-drag, great way to really protect your world, just smart design. The cord tucks away, up or down, to go to your solar panel. A big rechargeable battery that's not gonna have that battery memory of a nickel cadmium. They've just done great things with lithium technology. Folks, this is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. It's the cat's meow. It is cooler than the other side of the pillow. Cool as a cucumber, and I'm a big, big fan. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic away here. Get that full image. How cool is that? And guys and gals, look at those LED lights. Look at those sensors, the IR, the PIR, the PTZ. It's the TOP to the DOG. Folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. And again, a great brand. And that makes a difference as well, that they fleshed out all potential issues with their software. They're fast, secure, and reliable. I appreciate you. What are you waiting for? Go pick one up. Have a great day. Goodbye, my friends.